Welcome back to my channel. My name is Phyllis, and this is JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. If this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to thank you for stopping by, and I ask that you please consider subscribing by tapping the subscribe button, click the bell, and then select all to be notified of all future videos that I upload. And for my faithful established viewers, thank you so much for your continued support in watching my videos. On my channel, I share DIYs, home decor, Goodwill thrift hauls, and more. In today's video, I am participating in a collaboration entitled Spring Lantern Collaboration 2020, and it's hosted by Kenya of Kenya's Decor Corner. I will leave a link in the description box below to her channel. The lantern that I am choosing to share with you all today, I purchased from this company over 10 years ago. However, I just received the magazine in a couple of weeks. And it's this lantern here, and the only difference that I see is in the price. Over 10 years ago, I paid $39.99 or $95, and I see they're charging $65.99. But I love the era and the style of this lantern. So if you're interested in seeing where and how I style my lantern, here it is. I hope you enjoy. So the lantern hangs over my bathroom door, actually the door that leads to the water closet or where the toilet is. And I love the relaxing, soothing feel that I get when I turn my bathroom lights off. I have this candle lit, and then I have a candle on the sink, and then I have candles put around my garden tub when I just want to relax. But I love the style and the beauty of the candle. And this is just a view of my bathroom. It's not a tour or anything, but if you can just imagine that lantern lit, all the lights off, along with candles around my tub, it is just a soothing, beautiful, relaxing, refreshing feel. I love the medieval style of this lantern, and the name of the lantern, as listed in the catalog, is a Crown Royal Hanging Pendant Lantern. It is very romantic in style, and it is so beautiful. Now the iron part that is hanging over it did not come with that. I happened to find that in a Goodwill store, about maybe 2 or 3 years ago. Like I said, I purchased the lantern from that company over 10 years ago. And then the iron piece that is above it, I got it from Goodwill about 2 or 3 years ago. And I love that it's almost like the finish on the lantern. Thank you for stopping by JRC Restoration, Decor, and Designs. And as I often share at the end of my videos, remember, the distance between your dreams and reality is called action. So make it a blessed and productive day, everyone. Bye-bye.